Have you ever stepped out of the bath feeling clean and refreshed, yet noticed a small discomfort in an area you rarely pay attention to? After 70, our bodies change in quiet ways, and the washing habits we've used for decades may no longer be enough. Today, we'll look at 3 commonly forgotten body spots that need extra care as we age. Ignoring them can lead to soreness, skin irritation, infections, or bigger health troubles. Watch closely, especially for the 3rd spot, which many people don't even realize can weaken the body's defenses and energy over time. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning simple ways to stay healthy later in life, please subscribe and turn on notifications. If this video helps, comment 1. If something didn't land, comment 0, so I can improve. First section, your feet, the foundation that keeps you moving. Your feet quietly support you every single day. They balance your weight, help you stay mobile, and allow you to move with confidence. But after 70, foot care is one of the most overlooked parts of hygiene and one of the most important. As we age, circulation slows down, especially in far-off areas like the toes. This means small cuts, cracked skin, or mild irritation take longer to heal. The skin becomes thinner, drier, and more fragile. Without moisture, it can crack, and even tiny openings in the skin can let in bacteria or fungus. When the immune system weakens with age, it becomes harder to fight those infections. For older adults with conditions like diabetes, nerve issues, or reduced blood flow, the risks multiply. You may not feel pain from a cut or blister, allowing it to worsen silently. Slow healing can turn a small injury into a deep sore that becomes difficult to treat. Common issues include fungal infections between the toes, dry cracked heels, calluses, and skin breakdown from poor circulation. These start small but can turn into painful infections that limit mobility. Take John, a 72-year-old retired mechanic. He ignored some pink skin between his toes and a rough patch on his heel. Within weeks, a crack became a painful sore that wouldn't heal. A doctor diagnosed an infection caused by dry skin and poor circulation. With treatment and better foot care, he recovered, but his experience shows how fast minor foot issues can escalate. A simple daily foot care routine. Check your feet daily under good light. Look for redness, swelling, cracks, blisters, or color changes. Wash thoroughly with warm, not hot, water and mild soap. Don't rush. Clean between toes and around nails. Dry completely, especially between toes. Moisture invites fungus. Moisturize the tops and bottoms of your feet. Do not apply lotion between the toes. Wear supportive, breathable shoes and cotton or moisture-wicking socks. Trim nails straight across to avoid ingrown nails. See a podiatrist for thick, painful, or discolored nails, hard calluses, or foot shape changes. Foot care protects more than your skin. It protects your independence, balance, comfort, and confidence. A few minutes of attention daily can save you from long recovery periods, pain, or mobility loss. If you're still following, comment 1 to let me know you're here. Second section, the private area. A warm, hidden spot where irritation starts easily. This area is sensitive, warm, and often moist, making it a perfect environment for irritation, infection, and odor, especially after 70. Many people feel embarrassed discussing it, but caring for this region is essential for hygiene, confidence, and comfort. As we age, mobility can become limited, bending becomes harder, skin becomes thinner and less elastic. Combined with folds of skin, sweating, and occasional urine leakage, this area can trap moisture and bacteria. Tight clothing or synthetic fabrics worsen the problem. Fungal infections, rashes, and chafing become much more common. Often the early signs are subtle: a mild smell, slight itching, redness, or a small rash. Ignoring these can lead to yeast infections, painful irritation, or skin breakdown that requires medical care. Sarah, age 78, ignored a slight odor and mild itching because she felt embarrassed. When she finally told a nurse, She learned she had a mild fungal infection from trapped moisture. With gentle cleaning and a protective cream, the issue cleared quickly. She later admitted she didn't realize how much the discomfort had been affecting her mood and confidence. Daily care routine for this area. Wash gently every day using warm water and mild, fragrance-free soap. Avoid scrubbing, as the skin here is delicate. Dry completely, especially between folds. If moisture persists, use cornstarch-based powder or a mild barrier cream recommended by a doctor. Wear loose, breathable cotton underwear. Change underwear daily or more often if sweating or leakage occurs. Inspect the area regularly for redness, odor, or irritation. Good hygiene here improves comfort, movement, sleep, and emotional well-being. A clean and dry area boosts confidence and prevents long-term skin problems. If this section has helped you, comment 2 below. Third section, the belly button, a small spot with big hygiene impact. Now let's talk about a tiny but extremely important spot, the belly button. Many adults don't clean it regularly, believing it takes care of itself. But the belly button easily traps sweat, dead skin, soap residue, fabric lint, and bacteria. Over time, it can develop a smell, irritation, or even infection. For adults over 70, the risk can increase because the belly button often becomes deeper as the abdominal wall softens. Mobility challenges make cleaning harder. Weakened immunity makes small infections harder to fight. Conditions like diabetes raise the risk of yeast buildup. Many people don't notice a problem until they smell an odor or feel itching. Sometimes the area becomes red, tender, or produces a slight discharge. Take Tom, a clean and organized 76-year-old who bathed daily but never cleaned his belly button. He developed itching and a mild odor. A doctor later found a yeast infection caused by trapped moisture and debris. Regular cleaning helped him recover quickly. How to properly clean the belly button. Wash gently during your bath using a finger, cotton swab, or soft cloth. Use warm water and mild fragrance-free soap. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap. Dry completely using a clean cotton cloth or tissue. For deeper belly buttons, use a cool blow dryer on low to ensure full dryness. Check regularly for redness, odor, or discharge. Seek medical help if pain, swelling, or persistent odor appears. Cleaning your belly button takes less than a minute, but prevents irritation, odor, and infections that can take weeks to treat. If you're still with me, comment 3. Fourth section, final thoughts. Small areas, big effects on your health. Your feet, private area, and belly button may seem small or simple to care for, but each one reflects important changes that come with aging. These areas show early signs of skin weakness, poor circulation, and immune changes. Caring for them daily is not just about hygiene. It's about protecting your comfort, mobility, confidence, and overall health. Key reminders. Feet. Keep them clean, moisturized, and inspected daily to prevent infections and maintain mobility. Private area. Keep it clean, dry, and protected to avoid irritation, odor, and fungal buildup. Belly button. Clean and dry it daily to stop small issues before they grow. Small daily habits can create dramatic improvements in your comfort and well-being. Many older adults say that once they started paying attention to these areas, they noticed better sleep, fewer skin issues, more confidence, and improved quality of life. What surprised you the most today? Was it drying between your toes, cleaning the private folds more gently, or finally paying attention to your belly button? Share one thing you'll start doing today. You might help someone else in the comments. If this video taught you something useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more simple tips to help you feel your best at any age.